This video is designed to show the basic installation techniques for the installation of an electronic controller. We have chosen the Hunter Pro C outdoor controller for our installation. Keep in mind that your installation may vary. The first step to this installation is figuring out where we want to mount the controller. A 120 volt electrical supply is needed. The next step is to remove the front faceplate from the controller. This will allow us to easier install the base unit. In the cutout for the control wires, we'll install a 3/4 conduit male adapter and locking nut. For this installation, we'll be hiring an electrician to hardwire this electronic controller. This will allow for a very clean installation. In preparation for the electrician, we're going to install the conduit for him. In the 120 volt cutout, we're going to install a 1/2 inch conduit male adapter and nut. For uniformity, we're going to install a 1/2 by 3/4 inch bushing. This will allow us to match the 120 volt side of this controller. Then we'll cement 2 small pieces of 1/2 inch conduit. One piece to the control side of the controller, the other to the 120 volt side. Then trim both pieces of conduit to equal lengths. Now we're ready to install our LB access fittings. Now that we've prepared the controller, we're ready to start the mounting process. Take the template that was supplied by the manufacturer, level it on the wall. Using a scribe or punch, mark the mounting positions on the wall. Using your favorite wall anchor, install one at each of the mounting positions. And with the hardware supply, mount the controller to the wall. Remove both of the LB access fitting plates. On the side outlet of the LB access fitting, scribe a mark in the very center. And now remove the controller. Now where you scribe the 2 marks on the side outlet of the LB access fitting, take a 1 inch bit and drill 2 holes through the drywall. This will allow the LB fitting to neatly fit in the wall. With some assistance, fish the multi-strand wire through the wall and then cut to length. Cut off the outer jacket of the multi-strand wire. Slip the wires through the LB access fitting. Then you can mount the controller. With your supplied hardware, secure the controller to the wall. Then you'll fish the control wires up through the access fitting into the controller. Then strip about a 1/4 inch of insulation off each conductor. Now remember, we're having an electrician hardwire our controller. This step won't be necessary if you install an indoor controller that uses a plug-in transformer. The other option would be to install a pigtail on an outdoor controller. Now we're ready to reinstall the ribbon cable and the faceplate to the controller. For more details on irrigation wiring, refer to do-it-yourself irrigation video titled Control Wiring. And this will conclude this section on how to install an electronic irrigation controller. Thank you for choosing Do-It-Yourself Irrigation. And remember, if you want the job done right, do it yourself. Irrigation.